1, 2, 3. Sige. Hey! Present time. Wow, gaganda naman. Yeah. That's good. Thank you. Talagang bundok na siya, no? Pero na-develop pa rin, no?
Yeah, have you got separate? Yeah, we'll pay separate. Yeah. So four of
Okay,
us.
so the cashier knows how to speak Tagalog.
So first the 4 person.
Yeah, they're gonna pay by card.
Yes.
Tama
I
yan.
see,
Marunong siya
tama.
mag-Tagalog eh.
How do you know how to speak Tagalog?
You've been to Philippines.
You've been to him.
Ano na siya mag-Tagalog?
Cash.
Okay.
And then card please.
Card.
Next
Card.
please.
Okay. 3 of us, yeah? 3. Tatlo.
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 Sige na. Tatlo. Sige.
Sige.
And then last 1 person is 4, 3, and total 7.
Straight is right, yep.
So,
Okay.
finish.
Okay, salamat.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Ano sa'yo? Salamat.
Salamat po.
Pagtog. Okay, so meron siyang entrance fee. Yeah, it's like 11,000 each. 11,000 each. So it's like, yeah, 11,000 each room. So we're going inside now. Okay. So this is the entrance of the garden of the morning calm. Yeah. And that's it. Morning calm. So okay, let's
Tao pa. Gusto ko
hit the bridge.
Ano ito? Parang one way.
Tara na. Ayun.
Dito yung papunta sa yung train. Hindi, wala na siya yung flowers kasi middle na siya.
Wow.
Sky bridge, wala ito. Sky bridge.
Oh, there's another bridge here. Oh wow. You can hear the falls already. Feel it. Really? Oh, they're going there. There we go. So we go back to the bridge. Let's go to the bridge. Di pala to ano eh. Yeah. Oh yeah.
We don't do that.
It's the hanging bridge. Yeah.
Kasi ginagalaw. Walang iiyak. Huwag yung Joshua, don't do that. Nag-jet lag pa ng unahan. Makasuka talaga. Nahihilo ako. Joshua, sakit.
Yeah.
Where's si Joy?
Ayaw ni Joy. Ayaw ni Joy. Wow. Parang ano yung sa atin, mami? Mambukal.
Ang malaki yan.
Yeah.
May ano din sa taas, no? Ano yun? Presto.
Okay.
Break na lang sold na ako. Nakakay-drama.
Don't drop it.
Ano, ito na lang. Nakakay-drama ito. Hindi, nagagawa ko.
Alright. At least after the city, we got the garden.
Sa countryside.
uh,
Doon sa taas.
it's good.
Kat ka.
So it's like 50 meters. 50 meters for 50 or 60 meters. Yeah, that's good.
Galing. Ubuit guys.
Aha.
Let it all south.
Yeah, it seems that I'm still on the bridge with me. I'm still on the bridge. Bonsai Garden. Welcome to Bonsai Garden.
Ang ganda. I like the garden. Favorite.
Good garden. We got the third nice wow. I was really cool. Yeah. Mm-hmm. There's a big stone. Wow. So this is the bonsai area. So if you really like nature, this one is one of your destination. It's good. Yeah. But of course you come in here like this time of the year. Because here is like September. Yeah, first week of September. It's nice. Also they got their own restaurant here as well. So if you're hungry, of course have something to eat. We'll show you what food they got here, so at least you get an idea. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Bulgogi hot pot. Yeah, that's very good. So maybe we can eat it later, Bibo. They're open? Open?
Sino na?
Chinun na.
Sino na? Ano yan?
I know, it's closed.
Ano?
But, oh, it's closed. So it's closed. Along the pond. Okay.
Natin mawak along the pond. Dili ta matigog dili oh.
Yeah. It's very good. Damo, pagkaon na gali eh. Hindi kagi magutman dito uod mo. Yeah, there's a lot of food so you can see morning Marubi's room. So please be careful of the pine fences, yeah. Please be careful of not to fall or slip. Please throw the trash in the trash, of course. Just don't speak too loud.
It's for mom.
Oh wow, look at that. Nice area. Yeah.
Galing
It's
kay
a slope.
pakanto to nakalainan ko.
It's a slope.
Galing kay namin. Ito na anak ko sa tour. Bang komportable ang sports mo. Ako ginawa sa mga ko. Pagpuli ka na suso. Ay, kayo. Ay, hindi pwede ka picture. Ano? Left, ano na? Let's take off the shoes. Hindi na. Okay. Ano na akong kapasa dito. Ay, gusto ko ng signage picture.
Go, go.
Full control.
Ano na
Wow.
O meron ka may mamiss, dito ka na. Hindi dito may mamiss na every weekend.
Wow. Look at that. So this is the kitchen garden. See? You cannot enter, of course.
That's cool.
A kitchen garden, so you can eat this one, this
So
veg.
that's your-
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah. A good garden. Just want to try if it is how cold is it really. That's it. Give it here. Okay, that's good. Yep. That's alright. Pond garden. It's a pond garden. There should be some pond fish. The pond garden. Pond fish. No.
For safety reasons, the traffic is restricted.
Mhm.
And maybe you're allowed if you're safe about it. Enter at your own risk.
Yeah. Is it that one?
Yeah.
It's not really safe just there.
There's maybe enter at your own risk.
Okay.
So they're not responsible.
Butterflies.
3, 2, 1.
But there's one more. Diba? The other angle naman.
What's that sound? Yeah. Mhm.
3, 2, oil.
So, as man-made waterfalls.
Into the pipes.
Yeah. Okay. So,
You'll go up there.
okay. Wow. That's really massive.
Massive.
Wow. Very calm. And here. Wow. That's good. Yeah, I think so. Why? You can sleep here maybe. Over here, babe. Uh,
Then take off your shoes.
think so. And even here, you still got the speaker. Oh wow! What's that? What you call it? Me? Wait, what's that? What's that? What is an insect?
It's a cicada.
Cicada. How do you spell?
C-I Charlie.
Uh-huh.
Indigo.
Mm-hmm.
Charlie. Alpha.
Cicada. Alright, like cicada.
Cicada.
Very strange. Yeah. Even here, baby, we still got the speaker. Mm. It's very good, refreshing nature. Look at the trees. Yeah.
Do not end.
Where?
Why someone there before?
Ah, they're working here. Nakidrama lang. Ano ba?
Ah.
Road to heaven. Oh, let's go there.
Ay,
Look.
ito nagtama ko.
Yeah. Road to. Huh?
Just flatten that.
Alas 11 na mahal na, di ba na alas ano, di ba ang last
Last
ko
dos.
ba?
2:40.
Ano? Kaya have to go.
Have to go what?
Makaon.
Yeah.
Dagat? Asan ang dagat? Ah, paano? Diyan na kami kanina. So dito na lang kami balik.
Road to heaven.
Kumita ah. Ay, dito na kami, bumalik na kami. Dito naman kami sa right. Sa left tayo. Nag-right naman kami ngayon.
Hala ka.
Ano ka pwede? Sige. Hilingan ako dito. Akyat ko.
Wala pa naman.
진짜잖아.
That's the one they make it lain. So this is the chapel, I think, yeah. Ah, chapel. Look at your shoes.
Move your shoes.
What's the paper?
Ano pa?
Oh. Panggang. Ay, kaya Jordan. Can go there. This is just a little platform. You can see it over here. Oh, there's another stairs going down. So.
Maybe the bridge is
Yeah. Look, there's somebody. I told you. Look.
wow.
So we can go down and go back. Isn't it? Let's do it then. Yeah, let's go. Hindi na nakata kami ito balik. Yeah. And let's do that.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Maybe it could end.
Yeah. See, you can do swimming here with it. See? And then, yeah, that chair. Remember the chair that we saw? So you can, yeah, you can borrow the chair.
And there again.
Yeah. Oops. And go up. Going up. This is nice. Oh, there's another stage here. So there's another stage area here. You can go down. There's a Maru. There's a Maru. And there's another going down. I like that too. Sakto na lula sa harapan na yan. We go to the secret garden. Aha. Wow. See? Just imagine, Didi, you came here and you forgot to come on secret garden. You forget to come here, the secret garden. Flower finder. Oh wow. Yung kaon na yun. Secret garden. It's nice. It's warm. And there's some deer over here. Oh wow. This is nice.
Already explored everything.
And that's it, isn't it?
That's good.
Yes. Another secret garden. Ooh. Alright. That's it. Mas lapit niya.
Ano lang naman? Nagpicture-picture pa kami.
Secret of the secrets.
Tôi có tao yêu phone sợ. Terus kenapa pas sama isa ka nag-dikit?
let's try the.
Let's see, try.
What's this one? What's this one? No, this one is chicken, yeah?
May fish sila.
Chicken. Chicken na lang mo. Yeah, gano'n lang mo.
아이스크림 여기 보세요. 비스크죠. 육수 보세요, 사모님.
Vegan ko no.
짜소면. 여기 얘가 여기서 봐봐. 어떤 거 줄까? 요거트? 가온이는
바닐라 초코.
바닐라 초코. 언니 나 여기 살게. 응? 예, 어서
Have
오세요.
some chicken.
이쪽으로 오세요. 바닐라 초코 하나 드려요? 아니요, 요거트
Mami.
예,
Have
하나 와?
chicken. One.
세 개?
Just one.
예, 오케이. 아, 그렇지 하나.
Ulma corn dog.
요거트 바닐라 뭐죠, 선생님?
Yoghurt ice cream dyan.
Get some ice cream, baby. If you want some ice cream.
Kada kung magpunta na ng ano. With the worms.
Alright, so we ordered the chicken and then we got the corn dog. Chicken. Wow. Their chicken is like pork. That's too soft. Wow. It's very nice.
Namet.
There's some sweetness on it.
Ay, pagito. Pagito.
Huh.
Kaya mo nilikit mo nagkatokad.
Mm-hmm.
Kung kaya ng chicken dyan sa mga kumo.
Why? Mmm.
Tusok pa. Makulit ito yan eh. Bago naman kalat ba? Siya siya. Bulit lang. Nakulit naman sila.
Wow. Okay, try natin to. We'll try this.
1, 0.
Yeah, tama.
Ah, cute to hot. Cute ng dalawa na inis ako. Oh, cute yun. Ang cute naman. Inis.
Bulgogi.
Ang sarap to. Sarap nito. Ano ne?
Oy.
Ano ne ba pa? Ginger tea? Ano?
Korean tea.
Korean tea? Ang sarap ah. Hindi pa naman. Ang nagkaring. Mula sa ano sa trip naka ano tayo. Kain.
Korean tea.
Happy ah.
Hello. Say hello.
Ayang.
Hello, still sleeping.
What is your ate who's sleeping there?
Yan. We'll try the Korean corn.
Korean restaurant sana.
Ano siya? Sa mga probinsya, hindi yung parang ano na mais.
Oh wow.
Di parang ano na mais yung
Pili.
Gano'n.
Masarap nga makunat.
Sarap ito.
1,000.
Yung parang sabi niya yung malagkit na malagkit.
Mahal ba sa atin? Ganyan? Magkano na? Magkano sa Pinas? Or sa UK?
Ang bago niya din.
Wow.
Gusto ko yung meron ano.
Different.
Mas mura dito.
May iba pang kulay na itim-itim. Meron yun eh.
Iba-ibang kulay.
Basta sa Myeongdong, mayroon yun.
Maraming tissue doon. Mamaya na.
Wow.
Mamaya na. Hindi ko
That's nice.
ano, kainin mo na muna yan kung hindi mo maano yun sa... Si Jen mo, si Jen. Yan mo expression niya.
Korean na Korean. Ganyan yun.
That's why it's very nice. When you're in here in Korea, try the rice. The corn. Corn in the cup. Okay.
You need to try this one. And as well, that one. Chicken skewer.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So make sure, do not forget to like, share, subscribe.